Anonymous Gamer here. Today we're gonna be playing a game called Dreii. Dreii. It's a puzzle game, and this is my second video for this channel. I might sound weird, but I am Anonymous Gamer, so I must keep my real voice away from you. I might do a voice reveal soon, if I want to, or I don't. Alright, so let's start this puzzle game then. This will be fun, I guess. Whoa, that's so loud! Hey! Yeah. It's kind of hard using my mouse. Hello. Hold on. Alright, let me just do this that other. Oh, it's right here. Alright, let's get it. I'm gonna stop talking right now because I'm tired of making this voice. Come back. Are you going to do anything? I was playing this game and wanted to have somebody to join, but I have waited a long time for someone to join, and no one ever joined, but now they did join. How cool is that? Yeah, let's do this. I don't know how to do this. I'm stuck in this level actually. Let's see if this will work. Please work. Yeah! Yes! Wow! Finally! Gosh. I've been waiting for a long time. Me and this dude together, we can do this. This one is easy. Let's do that. Nope. Oh no. No, take that out. Okay. You place that one first. Place that one first. Place that first. Please. Okay, it's a ghost block, so it won't work. I'm just going to drop this. Yeah. That's cool. Oh, what? I believe I need to take this out. He's not really doing anything, but I don't care. I'll just do it by myself. I'm already mastering this game. Like, it's a fun game. You should get it, but it's not free. So sorry. No, he gone away. Come back. Where are you going? Yeah. I'm the only one who did it. This is so weird. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, I think I know this. I think I know how to do this. So I'll go to that. Now I'll just remove that. I'll take this one. Yep, okay, he knows it too. He knows it. We both know it. Come back. What the heck? We did it. Yay! Hello. Three of us. What the heck? We can only say hello. What? Oh, that one can't be moved. God. Stop. Let go. Let go. Oh, we failed. We absolutely failed. God damn it. You can't move that one. It's a broken one. We need to try to... Come on. Get it. What are you trying to do? What are you doing? There we go. Oh, crap. I need to try... No. What are you doing? Let's go. I know how to do this trick. I learned from PewDiePie. Oh, stop pulling it. Please stop. Lift that up. Alright. That was nearly my real voice. They're just gonna watch me like that. Ha ha. Good. Probably I can... No. I got it. Let me just put it again. No, that won't work. The other guy doesn't even know how to play this game. Seriously. I'm just gonna place that. Alright, come on. You can do it. I believe in you. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah. This is so fun. So fun. Oh, okay, I know this one. Okay. Limley. No, the other guy's gone. No. Wait, I think. Does he know? No. That will just keep bouncing. I know how to do this one. You're so dumb. What are you doing? You're not supposed to do that. Place it back where it's supposed to go. It goes like that. Now you place that down right there. No, okay. I need to bring this a little bit right here. No. How do I do this? I cannot move that one. This guy's annoying me right now. This is like seriously annoying. I hate this dude. Go away. I can just do this by myself. I don't even care. I don't need help. I like the other guy better. Hold it. Oh wow, we got it. That's so cool. Now we're just going to put that. It's okay, we just keep the bounce. It still works though. Probably we're doing that wrong. Yep, I think we are. Try. Oh wow, it's doing it. Yeah, let's go, baby. This guy is cool. This guy is also cool. I was thinking makes it heavier when you like put 2 on it, so it's less bouncy, I believe. A multiplayer level. Ooh. Does that mean I can join someone? Anybody? Help. Oh, I'm probably struggling. Okay, I'll help. Let's go. Let's work this together. Let's do this together. Together we can do it. Yes. But we got that. Look at him trying so hard. I have your hands. Don't worry. I will always help you. Let's go. Let's get it. No, I cannot. It's stuck. And I'll try to get that one right there. I'll try to get this guy. I'll lift this duty up. It is so heavy. Probably we must need to help each other to get this guy out. This one out right here. This is super heavy. Alright, we got it. Come on, we can do this. This is so heavy. We're not able to get this guy. Let's go. It won't move. guy out first. Move this one up. Help. Oh, I got it by myself. Alright, now probably we can just get this guy. This dude. Right. I'll get it out together. Alright. Oh. Yep. Alright, now just let go. Ah! Okay. Alright, get it. Alright, now I'm just gonna get this guy. Yeah. It's so heavy. Only if you lift that up. Come on, let's do this. Try to move this guy out. This is too heavy. If I can just lift this one up. This is so hard. I'll lift that one up. And then, oh no. I'm gonna lift this one up by myself. If I can, I don't know, man. It's so... Yes. I think I got it. Let's go. Just keep going. Just try your best. No. Help. Yes, we got it. Oh my god. Ah! Wow. Whoa, that was so cool. That was so cool. We get it together. Yes, you're no jerk. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoy it, make sure to subscribe and like. And yeah, peace out.